Hey guys, Control here, and in this video I'm showing you something really exciting, and I have a great news for all Subterfuge lovers, players all over the world. As you probably know, developers gave up on the game, a few years back, and after that, community, mostly guys from Discord, tried a couple of times, and they talked with developers of the game, with Noel and Ron, but those, tries were unsuccessful. We tried, to buy a game. They were asking, too much. They didn't want, to just give us the game, because that's something, they made from nothing. So I get that. And after that, after all, tries failed, we actually, couple of guys from Discord actually agreed, and they decided to make a new game, basically Subterfuge 2.0 Community Edition. So for the past couple of years they were working on that project, and after so long time, they finally made something that we can show you, that has a demo. And in this video I will be showing you the progress they made, and I will comment, give a feedback, so they can listen to it or not listen to it. It doesn't matter, but yeah, here we go. Enjoy.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this view of the Subterfuge Community Edition app. Hopefully you like what you see, and we'll jump right into it. So right off the bat, you'll notice we've got some...
Okay, first of all, this user interface looks absolutely amazing. It has everything, that older Subterfuge game had, and it looks magnificent. And here I would only add a button for forums. I mean, I know that there are not many active people there, but just in case some new players need some help or info about the game, I would just add that button and button for the site when they make the game. Other than that, absolutely amazing. Music is absolutely amazing, done by Cake Mix, so you'll hear that. And let's move on.
music created by Cake Mix. Special thanks to Cake Mix for creating all these tracks. They are absolutely amazing. So I hope you love the background music. Here when we log in, we've got this online services. We can sign in or register an account to play online. There's also single player puzzles, which is just a little testing area for us right now, and some other little buttons here, but let's just jump right in and register an account.
Okay, I will fast forward here a bit.
Test account. Once we get here, we've got a list of all the current lobbies that are...
Yeah, lobby is also looking, looking great. We have a button for the, open games, ongoing games, and games that you finished playing, just like the old Subterfuge. We have, you can create public game, you can create private game, pretty much, basic stuff. Absolutely great, absolutely great. Let's move on.
Open that I've been testing with, but we're gonna create our own here. Once we jump in, we can create ranked or anonymous modes and set what goal we want, so we can create, an anonymous domination mode. I'm gonna try and show you guys some interaction between players in the game, so I'm gonna set the max players to 2 here. And I'm also...
Yeah, this is actually I'm loving this, because in older Subterfuge, you know that you can't change minutes per tick, and by default it's 10 minutes. I think I'm not sure, to be honest, but it's actually great that you can change that here, so you can make games be shorter or longer, or so that's actually great that they gave us option to choose how long approximately, of course, game will start, game will last. So let's move on.
I'm gonna set the minutes per tick down to let's do about 1 minute per tick, so that I can show you guys the difference, or show you that players can see other players launching events once it comes to it in the game. We've also got some map configurations here. You can set the starting.
Yeah, this is also something that will be fairly new, because in older Subterfuge you can't map will generate itself by default, and you can't change how many outposts how many starting outposts will be there. So you can only put like gen heavy, factory heavy, stuff like that, but you can't actually put anything else here. And in this community edition game, it's a bit more complex in my opinion, and it will take time for the older players and the new players to get used to it, to this change. But in time, when we learn, and I think this will be really great and new, to be honest with you. So yeah, they will also add, or not add, they're not 100% sure if I understood correctly, this watchtower outpost, which is basically like a outpost that gives you vision on the map, and that will that will make impact on some specs like princess or intelligence officer. But I'm sure they will find a way to balance all that. Okay, let's move on.
Outposts. I'm just gonna configure a few of these just to make the map generational. Toggle them off.
Okay, yeah. Also here, they will actually, you can actually choose which specialists will you use in your game. So I don't think that's really necessary. I would rather for them just to make old specialists that we have in the older Subterfuge. But because I think it would be, I don't know, maybe too complex, because in every game you will have to to tell everyone with what specs are we playing, or what specs are banned, or maybe that's not a bad idea, I'm not sure. Like League of Legends, Dota, and that stuff, you can ban some heroes or champions. So I think they're trying to do something like that. So yeah, but we'll see. Looks good.
On or off, and determine which specialist you would like to be able to be using in your game. So for now we don't have any of this implemented, but it is there as a placeholder. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and create this game, and we've got this new lobby created by test account that is an anonymous domination with 1 out of 2 players. Then if we click on it, we can go in, we can see all the stats we just configured, and we can also see that we are currently in the game.
I will fast forward here a bit.
Yeah, I need to make sure.
Okay, yeah, map looks absolutely amazing. Outposts are a little bit further away that I would like to be. So yeah, but I think they need to do a bit more programming, or stuff like that, debugging, and they will be able to to optimize this. And as you can see, it's pretty much same as the old Subterfuge background. You have button for chat for stats. And only thing I would add here is that they give us a circle time machine, because honestly it's a lot, for me personally, it's a lot of easier to just spin, especially when I have to go like one day in the future, or 48 hours, 36 hours. So it's so easier for me to just spin than just click right button so many times. So this looks amazing, but I think they just need to add the spin option for the time machine. Other than that, absolutely amazing. Yeah, Fog of War also will be implemented. I think that Wright told on a Discord. So that's also that's also good. Let's move on.
What time is it? 10:39.
Okay.
Half, like this is the edge of the map here. So when the sub rolled through here, the sub disappeared and appeared, somewhere else on screen, like right here. You can kind of see it. And there you go, we've captured it. Little bit of debugging I need to do on that, but that shouldn't be a problem. We can also see we've got some tabs down here for chat or stats. If we open the chat, we've got an example chat here where we've got some users and a message. You can also send some messages, and this is an example of what that would look like. And currently you can also create a new chat. This lists all the players in the game, and you can select who you want to be included in your chat, and you can create them a new chat message with them.
Yeah. Also, chat looks really cool. I'm not sure about these levels. Level 32. What's that about exactly? But I'm guessing we will find out. We will find out soon enough. Let's move on.
Currently this is not working, unfortunately. I'll have to do a bit of work on that. But you can send and create chats, and just the user interface is not updated for that. But yeah, that is currently a look at the game so far. No Fog of War specialists in the game yet, but those are coming, so I think that's probably actually on my to-do list next. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked that demo, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the music in the background. I know I love it every time I start the app, so yeah, hopefully that's an awesome update for you guys.
Okay, so yeah, you heard everything what Rise said. So yeah, after 2 years we have some, proof, let's say, actual proof of progress that we can actually see. So looks amazing. I'm really excited about this game. I really love the interface, the demo they've made, and I can't wait, for game to be alive again and to play again with so many people. I hope you guys enjoyed. Join us on Discord. I will put link in description of the video. If you have any questions, someone will always be there to help you out. And stay tuned. More videos coming up. Control out.